Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have been using Shopify in 2026 for a while now, and we're currently asking on how to actually cancel an order. Well, let's say if a customer requests a cancellation or an order was placed by mistake, Shopify will usually let you cancel it quickly. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna know how to actually do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one option is we go all the way to your favorite browser. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet, then tap shopify.com. This will basically take you to a new window where you usually log in using your email address and password. After this is fully done, you go to this order tab on this top left corner. Well, usually if you already have a plan, okay, I will show you in my screen. When you tap on select a plan, they're gonna tell you that you should usually buy a subscription, like $27 for basic, $72 for a grow or advanced or plus, it depends on you. So when you are already subscribed in this Shopify subscription, you will be able to see multiple orders here. Select the order you want to cancel. Then click the order that hasn't been fulfilled yet. Tap on more options at the top of the order page. Basically like this, it will show you the analytics if you want to as well. Cancel the order. Select cancel order from the drop down, then choose refund options. Decide whether to refund a payment now or later. All you're gonna do now is confirm the cancellation, and it will be fully done. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.